Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You sign into the EA account or the platform first because Apex reads your display name from there. Once signed in, make sure you know whether Apex uses your EA ID or the console handle. That determines where you edit. Next, check for name change cooldowns and illegal characters so you don't hit an error later. Now go directly to Account Management or Profile Settings. That's where the display name field lives and where you'll start entering your new name. You now perform the actual name edit on the correct platform. For EA App or Origin, open Profile, edit your EA ID and save. This propagates to Apex. If you use Steam, change your Steam display name because Apex pulls that value. On consoles, update the PSN or Xbox gamer tag in the console account settings. Apex will display that handle. After saving, make sure to link the correct accounts and wait a few minutes. Changes can require propagation time before appearing in-game. You finish by verifying the new name in Apex. Restart the game and the platform app, then check your lobby name. If it hasn't updated, make sure the change saved on the platform, clear cache or log out and back in, and relink accounts if needed. If you still see the old name, check for cooldowns or banned characters. Those are common blockers. As a last resort, contact EA support and provide account details. Don't share passwords.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.